Hi, I'm Sneha Saikia. Today I'm going to show you a unique dish which is bamboo shoot, which is very common in entire Northeast cuisines. Today I'm using fresh bamboo shoot, but we also use fermented bamboo shoot, which is very common in all the Northeast states, especially Nagaland and Assam. So let's start the fresh stir-fried bamboo shoot. For bamboo, I will use mustard oil. We don't use much mustard oil, and our main cooking is with mustard oil only if we are cooking it with oil. And let it heat. Onions and green chilies. There is not much ingredient, it's only stir-fried bamboo, so we just use onion, green chilies for slightly hotness, and for the flavor I'm going to use these ginger leaves. You don't need to brown the onion much, just stir fry a bit and then add the bamboo. These are fresh bamboo shoots, and we get mostly in monsoons. Then I'm going to add little bit of turmeric, little bit of salt. Here I am using pink salt. You can use any salt. Mix it nicely. And we are going to cover it for some time so that it becomes slightly soft. It will not take much time. It will just take 5 to 7 minutes time. Let me simmer it and cover it. Let me cover this and let it cook in slow fire for 5 to 7 minutes. So if you can see, this juice is oozing out from the fresh bamboo shoots, and bamboo has lots of water contents. Now I'm going to add the hand torn fresh ginger leaves for the flavor. So let me tell you one thing, that we do not overcook any dish, so it will be crunchy. So this is done for us, and while you're eating it, you'll find it slightly crunchy. It will not be raw. It is crunchy and cooked. So this is done, and it just took, I think, 7 minutes.